It's smelling impeccable.
So this, obviously it's your white rice.
White rice.
We have some Telangana fish curry.
So what are the local names for these dishes?
We call it Telangana Chapala Pulusu. Chepalu is fish. Warning you, it's going to be on the spicy
But
level.
is there any food item in particular that makes you go nattu nattu?
This one,
Oh really?
for sure.
So it's one of your favorites?
Yes.
Okay, I can't wait to try it.
This one needs a lot of talent and patience. And I don't think I really have the patience to make our Chepala Pulusu.
It's so flavorful. And it's spicy.
And
It's
it's-
ekdam mast in Hindi. Which is what I want to ask you. So there are ways to describe food like mast and tikha. Is there any local language how you use to describe something that's amazing and very tasty?
Adiripoyindi.
That sounds very serious also.
No, I mean like, so there's an expression. So
Yeah.
like, Adiripoyindi. Must have.
Must have.
Absolutely.
That's exactly what this is. This is absolutely
Adiripoyindi.
yes.